everyone, and welcome back to one more video of All Light Food. And in this video we will talk about diabetes in young adults. Studies are showing that the number of pre-diabetes and type 2 diabetes in young adults are rising significantly in recent years. Millions of adults are suffering from pre-diabetes, which is a condition where the blood sugar level is higher than the normal, which can subsequently lead to type 2 diabetes. I made a full video on types of diabetes and what happens to our body. If you are interested to know more about diabetes, you can check it. The link will be given in the description box, or you can also go to my website and read the articles about diabetes. But in this video, we will talk about cause of diabetes in young people and the food remedies. Now, diabetes is a chronic health condition in which the body cannot produce a hormone known as insulin. This results in abnormal metabolism of the carbohydrate and elevated glucose level in the blood. Diabetes is the leading cause of heart disease and some other serious health conditions. Though it's not curable, the disease can be treated and controlled forever. There is a number of reasons for diabetes in young adults, and the most common one is the lifestyle, where we do not get time to take care of ourselves. Sedentary lifestyle, like sitting at one place to study, watch TV, or work on a computer, and having very little movement. Then unhealthy diet, having food high in sugar, like carbonated drinks, chips, cakes, cookies, all the food high in fat, sugar, white flour, and potatoes. Lack of exercise or physical activities, then consumption of highly processed food, excessive alcohol, smoking, tobacco, and mainly the stress, anxiety, and depression are a few causes of pre-diabetes in young adults. All these practices can cause obesity, which is an abnormal accumulation of fat in the body leading to type 2 diabetes. So if you have a sedentary lifestyle, it's better to get yourself checked up from your healthcare provider at least twice a year. Or you can look for a few symptoms to be concerned about the high blood glucose level, like drinking a lot of water, excess hunger, frequent urination, blurry vision, feeling lethargy, joint pain, then acanthosis nigrans, which are the dark rashes around the neck or armpits. If you see any of these symptoms, immediately check with your doctor. Treatment for types of diabetes can be different. For type 1 diabetes, one may need lifelong treatment, whereas type 2 may need short-term medications and lifestyle changes. Overall, diabetes can be controlled by controlling the blood glucose level through oral medications, insulin, and most importantly, diet. Blood test, regular screening, and discussion about medicines and dietary management with your doctor must be done. In case of complication and acute health issues, contact your healthcare provider immediately. Eat every kind of vegetables, including bitter gourd, ridge gourd, eggplant, cauliflower, cabbage, bottle gourd, beans, all the vegetables that contains high amount of water, you can add them to your everyday diet. Then green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, mustard greens, you can add them to your diet too. Fruits like berries, apples, and citrus food can be added to your diet, but if you have indigestion or acid reflux, you can avoid them and add apples to your diet. Then different types of beans and lentils, healthy nuts, like every kind of nuts you can have, especially in the morning. And then healthy oils, those who contain unsaturated fat, like olive oil, canola oil, you can cook your food in these kind of healthy oils. Take low-fat dairy products like low-fat milk, low-fat yogurt, you can add them to your diet, and add whole grains to your everyday diet like whole wheat, oats, barley, brown rice instead of white rice and white flour. Fish like salmon, sardine contain omega-3 fatty acids, you can add them to your diet, and unprocessed homemade juice, fruit juice, green tea, etc. can be added to your everyday diet. Now coming to root vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, and radish, you can add them to your diet in moderation. Avoid eating food rich in carbohydrate like white rice, sweet corns, white flour or all-purpose flour, especially in cakes, bread and pasta. Potatoes in French fries, mashed potatoes with butter, avoid this kind of food. Then table sugar, especially in processed juice or carbonated drink or cold coffee. Processed sugary food like cookies and crackers. Saturated fat like butter, clarified butter and cheese, you should avoid these kind of fats. Then full fat dairy like whole milk, whole cream, if you want you can avoid these food also. High fat meat like ground beef, excess alcohol. High sugar containing fruits and starchy vegetables which are high in carbohydrate should be avoided. Having a healthy routine can keep you away from all the lifestyle diseases. The best way you can start your journey is by adding a little bit of exercise and meditation to your everyday routine. And slowly you can proceed to eating healthy, working on your bad habits and leading an active lifestyle. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'm sure it was a bit informative. If you have any questions regarding the topic, please let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones, and I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For food and health related articles, please visit my website at www.alllitefood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.